Hello everyone, I'm so happy to give you a brief introduction about our illumination analysis. Our group really concerned about the sunlight illumination inside a flight. We want people to have a more specific and direct recognition of the sunlight inside their own flight. That is, people not only know the amount of the illumination, but also they should feel the senses. That means they know the exact moment and exact part of their own flight, how much sunlight they will get. So people can organize their activities more efficiently. And in our project, we just like people to follow us to go inside a whole set with a lot of buildings and then go inside one building to choose one interesting floor and then choose their own suitable flight by themselves. So actually we run our project into 3 steps. Firstly, we're really concerned about the site of the buildings. We just start a very simple ladybug project to download a EPW file to tell people the suitable space, suitable climate of the site, and then turn out a render visual picture to tell people how the whole building will get the illumination because of the orientation, the position, and also the shadow cast from the surroundings. People then can choose a most suitable building for themselves. But also they can see here because the different height actually got different illumination. They can then choose a interesting floor to go further to know more about the information. So we then just go inside the second step. People then choose an interesting floor to know more specifically. Inside one floor, also they have quite different elements. For example, in the different orientation actually got the different illumination. In the different time, the illumination in centuries actually worked out quite differently. So we give another project here. We just set a very simple geometry position of the floor and also upload EWP gradients to tell where is it. And then we will render the different time to tell people how it actually look like in different time, so people can feel in the same floor in the different time how the part of it will look like and choose the more interesting part to go further. So we just go from the floor inside the flight. People then choose more interesting orientation of the floor. Actually they got a flight to go inside of it. So we then make this problem really a very specific problem. We then will give a very specific model in the Rhino. We actually built the room with the ceiling wall and floor and also the furnitures. So people will get a very visual imitation of a real house. and then go into the grasshopper project. Because we got more command of the geometry, so we then set the data of the reflection of the furnitures. Actually, they also give some influence of the illumination, and also some transparent materials. So we can got a more accurate result of the sunlight illumination inside one flight. So then you can see people, once they choose a flight, they can see how the plan will influence the sunlight, and also they can got an introduction direction for them to know how to prepare the furnitures by themselves. Then they can got a better illumination result. So with the tour of us, people just go inside a very big site, then go specifically inside one flight, and they know how the sunlight works step by step. And that is our project. Thank you very much.